Do you want to give your videos a classic, timeless, or dramatic look? Converting your footage to black and white is a simple way to create a cinematic style and highlight emotions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a video into black and white in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started! First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. It will directly open your gallery and you can choose. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery and tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. At the bottom of the screen, click Effects, then tap Video Effects. It will give you access to the effects gallery. Using search bar, search for black and white. It will give you options to choose the black and white effects you want. To preview it, just click it and it will automatically appear in your video. You can also tap Adjust to adjust the speed and intensity. Simply click and drag the effect layer to adjust its duration. Make sure you preview it before exporting. And that's how you convert a video to black and white in CapCut Mobile. Sometimes less color creates a bigger impact. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and God bless you.